Welcome, here I've got TCL 10 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar. I'm just simply going to the left to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion here, so let's tap on this. Here we are, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big button at the center. We can also go to the right corner to this button to change the speed of the slow motion. We can pick from 4 or 8. For now let me stay on 4 for example to show you how it works, and let me start recording now. Now stop by tapping again on this button, and let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this one. So here we get quick access to the gallery. This is our slow motion video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video with 4 speed looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.